Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on DS. First, gather your essential gear: a Nintendo DS system, a Guitar Hero DS game, and the unique guitar grip peripheral. This grip is crucial for the authentic experience. Simply slide the guitar grip into the Game Boy Advance slot on your DS. Then, insert your chosen Guitar Hero game cartridge into the DS game slot. Power on your system, and you are ready to rock. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay. The guitar grip has 4 colored fret buttons: green, red, yellow, and blue. Your goal is to press the correct fret button precisely when the matching colored note reaches the bottom of the screen. Simultaneously, you will need to strum. You can do this by tapping the touchscreen with your stylus or using the small pick button located on the grip itself. Timing is everything for a perfect performance. To truly dominate the stage, you will want to master star power. As you play, you will notice certain notes glow. Successfully hitting these notes fills your star power meter. Once it is full, activate it by tapping the touchscreen. This will temporarily double your score multiplier, helping you rack up massive points. Also, focus on maintaining your note streak. Missing notes breaks your combo and reduces your overall score. To become a Guitar Hero legend, practice is key. Start on the easy difficulty setting to get comfortable with the fret buttons and strumming. As your skills grow, gradually increase the difficulty. Regular play will sharpen your timing and finger dexterity. Do not be afraid to explore the entire song library. Each track offers unique patterns and rhythms. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.